friends, it is time. It's time to cook at the moment, but it's time to get ready to decorate for fall. I'm probably maybe gonna do it this evening if we don't go somewhere. I'm not sure what the plans are for the evening yet, but y'all know me, and you know what I wanna do before we decorate for fall. Rearrange the living room and possibly even move some of this stuff around over here. I'm thinking I would like to move my coffee station over here into this corner because this is empty. There's nothing there, and I think that that'll fit perfectly there. And then we can move the table some way. Also, what would I put here? Is it gonna look too empty here if we move that over there? I don't know, we'll see. We'll move it over there and see how we like it. That's my tablecloth, I gotta put it on in a second. In here, the desk and the TV are gonna stay where they are. I just wanna move, I already have an idea of what I wanna do. I wanna move the couch over there. I wanna put the rocking chair and that little table there and the love seat here. I really wanna sweep and mop under all the furniture and rugs really good before we decorate for fall. That way it's nice and fresh in there. I already put up all the summer stuff a couple of weeks ago, I guess. We put away all the summer decorations, so I don't think I have anything summery out besides I've got that strawberry truck right over there that we forgot. But I think other than that, all the summer stuff has been put up. It's just the, you know, regular decorations and stuff out right now. Before we start that though, we can get some potatoes in the air fryer. I'm making a chili beef and potato skillet. We're gonna use this Kinder's wood-fired chili seasoning. I've got the Aldi pumpkin cream cookie candle going. But yeah, if we don't go anywhere, or if I have time before we go anywhere, I'm gonna bring out that fall stuff, y'all. We're gonna wash the potatoes real quick. I'm just gonna slice these into, let's see, I want them to be kind of small, about this big. And we'll throw them straight over here into the air fryer. Now, if you don't have an air fryer, you can just cook them in a skillet, or you can boil them even, however you want to cook them. You just need to pre-cook the potatoes, that way they're already tender. And we need about 3 cups total. You could also use ranch seasoning for this, and it could be a ranch beef and potato skillet. And I'm using these little red potatoes, but you can use any kind of potato you want to use. So yesterday I asked if y'all had decorated for fall yet, and I'm pretty sure more people have decorated than not. So I'm ready to join in. Even if I don't have time to do it today, it's happening soon. So we'll get these potatoes cooking. They're only gonna need to cook for about, since I'm chopping them pretty small, probably just about 8 minutes. While they're cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange in the living room because I think I can get it done. I mean, it'll take longer than 8 minutes, of course, but it's okay if these just sit and cool down while I finish that up, and then we'll finish making the food. We'll just go ahead and do all these potatoes. There are only gonna be a few left. Okay, so we've got the potatoes. We're just gonna spray them with a little bit of, I think I've got avocado oil. Yeah, we'll use this. I've got olive oil too, but we'll just spray some of this on there. And I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper. And that's it. We'll go 375 for 8 minutes, and then I'll check them. I'm trying to decide if I want to move the rug that the love seat is under over here. I guess I do. I'm gonna mop right here first and let it dry. Then while it's drying, I'll vacuum that rug and move the love seat and stuff off of it so I can clean it really good. By then, this should be dry where we can move the rug over here. After 8 minutes, the potatoes weren't tender yet, so I'll put them back in for a few more minutes, so they're still cooking over there.
Rearranging?
Yeah.
I like it when you do this. Now I can see all the stuff that I lost back here.
Yeah.
Mama, we can move this couch right here.
I'm gonna moving the big couch over there.
Are we going to rearrange the TV?
No, the TV's gonna stay here too. Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Well,
I forgot I had it going already.
I won't be there long.
Okay. And I think I'm gonna make this Southwest salad kit to go with this too, so we'll sit that out.
Mama, just go and get a pepperoni.
No, we got salami, I think. We're gonna put the peppers and onions in here for now. Okay, and now we'll put in the ground beef. You know what? I should probably use my bigger skillet. Actually, I know I should. So we'll cook this and then we'll transfer it to the bigger skillet because I forgot we got to add the potatoes and everything in here. Yesterday, I thought we were going to have a day without rain, but nope. Around 8 or 8:30, I think, it started raining. Had to grab my apron. Are you looking for some salami? We had an iced coffee spill over here in the refrigerator. Okay, let me get my bigger pan out. That way I have it ready. And we'll actually go ahead and start mixing the other stuff in the bigger pan. We'll go ahead and put the peppers and onions in here and the potatoes. Oh, that was a poblano pepper, by the way, the peppers and onions. It was just a yellow onion and a poblano pepper. You can use bell pepper or whatever. I just had some poblanos, so that's what I used. I'm going to put just a little bit of smoked paprika in here with the potatoes and peppers and onions. Okay, we're going to need beef broth and just a little bit of cottage cheese. And we also need this block of Colby Jack shredded, so I'll get that shredded up here in just a minute. As soon as the ground beef gets done, we'll just drain it as we add it over into here. And then we'll be ready to add everything else in. And we're almost done. This is a quick one. We'll mix up that Southwest salad. I got this one from Aldi the other day. It's got cabbage, green leaf lettuce, kale, red cabbage, carrots, and green onion. Tortilla chips, white cheddar. Okay. Yes, we definitely needed this bigger one. Sorry, it's getting loud, y'all. Let me turn it down a little bit. We're going to put about a cup of beef broth in here. And half a cup of cottage cheese. Two tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. The pack of chili seasoning. You like this shredder or you want me to get the other one?
Get the other one because this one's a little bit hard.
Is it? Did you already do a taste test? Oh, is it good? Okay. Is there any cheese you don't like?
No, only except blue cheese.
You don't like blue cheese, that's it?
That gum tastes bad.
Okay, there you go. Now we just put the cheese on top. We'll cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes just to melt the cheese.
What we got, Mama?
This is chili beef and potato skillet. I forgot for a second.
Cheesy,
I saw that pumpkin-shaped coffee house on the TV. Look.
It's time. Mm-hmm. That's really good. Really good.